get it produced and how to make it work on the show, but you know, they also make sure that it keeps the integrity that you intended it to have. So it was like, it was kind of a...
Say to the enemy when you throw a grenade. You don't say, look out there, Nazis, here comes the grenade, and then toss it, and then say, by the way, I'll die in a year.
Farting at the same time.
Yes, it does. Get in a good way.
Which I know, that's why James Robinson loves drones. So.
That's right. That's right, isn't it?
So, if you are watching...
It was meant to change 11 days ago to allow household mixing indoors again. It was delayed because of outbreaks of the virus. Early evidence suggests indoor music events can take place without increasing the risk of...
Charging station, plug back in from 0 all the way up to 50% or so, and then rip again. Charging times were averaging 20 to 25 minutes, not bad. And yeah, the only thing that really sucked was stopping at all the Walmarts. That got a little bit.
Going public, and tobacco IPOs were quite hot recently last year, but enthusiasm has cooled significantly.
battery pack. So
What'd y'all do when that video was playing? I went to Starbucks.
Did you park car down the sidewalk?
I did drive down the sidewalk. Well, I kind of do that leaving my house and drive down this little sidewalk. It's kind of a fun thing whenever I drive it. It fits.
And the joke being, I was really grateful growing up that there's only me and my brother, because if I...
Shops, in pubs, in bars, in restaurants, anywhere around you, get back out there and support, because they're ready and open arms to get people back in. So please go and buy a coffee and a pint and a sandwich from wherever you can.
After you've bought Tom Carriage's book, Outdoor Cooking, of course, because that's the priority. How's
Yes.
is the Hand and Flowers back open?
Yeah, Hand and Flowers is back open, Coach and Bull and Bear in Manchester, and the Bar and Grill in the centre of London. So everything is back up and running. We've got guests coming in, which is great. Obviously, we need some more, but you know,
It also contains an audio attachment. Do you want to reply?
Mercedes-Benz, that would be Tesla Model X, seen for the first time with its new styling. We have the very first shots. It's a 15-second video, frustratingly short. At the end of the year, release car will take a little bit of time, so let's hope that those Model X buyers that want it, whether it's long range or get their hands on it as soon as possible. Looks great. I still think Model X looks it looks like it's just been designed. It hasn't aged at all, which accelerates electric company cars in the country. This is important. At the same time, the planned ban on internal combustion engines.
And here I'm having lunch and just. Fun. You're one of the best. It's so much fun to, and there is something so delightfully fun about just going at Will Arnett. I think like you, he's absolutely brilliant. He is another one who's so gifted with a quick wit, and Jason's also incredibly got this gift of the English language. Yes, yeah. He speaks so efficiently and also so comedically. Did it because we didn't think there were enough podcasts. Well, you know what? There was a dearth, and then especially during coronavirus, when the coronavirus has a podcast now. What is that? What? Uh-oh. Wait, you came back. I was just totally ripping you a new one as you were gone. Nobody ever says ripping you an old one. Why is that? I guess the act of tearing creates a new opening. All right. I'm sorry. I'm going to show you.
And stuff which you probably don't want to listen to anyway. And maybe I'll have figured out what I want to say by tonight. Bus driver was not impressed.
I don't know, I just didn't. Anyway, I didn't. I get to the car park and I realise, I pre-booked the car park and I'm like, whatever it is, 9 hours late for picking my car up. I'm in Chops' chimney because I was having my electric press car swapped with another one on the day I was out filming, so I had to take her car. Well, I'm walking across the car park to the kiosk where you pay. I found £1 on the floor. It's weird. It's really, and I was it's all right. They don't exist anymore. There's no need to. Well, the building exists, and there's apparently there's a bit of Chinese R&D going on in it. I don't know what.
Oh, that's true. Yeah.
But I think if ever there was an EV waiting to happen, it would be a Saab mounted
car museum. I can't remember where.
I mean, it's nutty, isn't it? Jonathan sent me a link. Fire in the house. Right. You're going to run in and save one. No one ever includes family in that question. I don't know.
I knew there was no tour looming, so I just stayed in there. Didn't want to finish the record.
I really miss audiences. I love.
Hey Google.
I think what stand-up mostly is that getting really good at failing. I think to get really good at, and there's kind of no way to avoid it, but I think when you get into comedy, the sooner you learn to not care if the audience likes you or not is going to lead to more fun. It's going to lead to a better career and more fun on stage. And I think I've failed so many times trying these absurd, stupid things that now I'm not so afraid to fail. You still feel bad when you don't give a crowd a good show, just because it, as we all.
seagulls.
That person looked at you.
It's very funny.
I think so. That not scare you? You didn't crash?
No, because there's reversing lights went on.
His character was human, so like
I mean, I think your girlfriend would understand if you said, look, I have to leave you for this weird time.
Yeah, we actually coached him, and we had many, many conversations about it. He was a little hesitant at first, understandably, because I'm great. He didn't want to lose me. Circumstances or distance or whatever these things were keeping us from being able to fully express our feelings, the longing. And then I think, additionally, the clear chemistry between the characters, that you could see that they were meant to be together, and you just rooted for them.
Absolutely.
But I think before, like, that Friday, you're going to have to keep all your clothes. Oh, yes. Yes, I will. Didn't take too long. No. And now I'm seeing Josh on Tuesday. So I've literally got Monday I'm seeing my friends, Tuesday seeing Josh, Wednesday got my COVID jab.
Sensitive, so the late night show. I remember, this is a true story. I remember I had wisdom tooth out very late 30s or something. This is like 5 or 6 or 7 years into doing the late night show. And I'll never forget this. They yank it out so there was this hole. There was some nerves on the bone that were like a little exposed.
Michael and Holly have gone to lunch. We got fan questions.
Why?
W, Sammy B, and Carolyn P. What is the restaurant that Holly and Michael went to? Angela, you saw the outside shot of this restaurant.
Yeah, I've been there in real life.
It is a real restaurant in Scranton called Cooper's Seafood House. And now I guess it is that.
Yeah.
And we really, congratulations to our steps.
Where did he come up with that? He heard that somewhere. Someone was like, the house
are doing the stamps, but they're in it with the camera operator, and that was flawless. I agree, Lindsay.
Me too.
We also have.
I did the math. I think it took them 6 minutes to get down to the warehouse.
6 minutes to walk down a set of stairs?
Or take the elevator.
With Kendall.
Yeah.
We had a fan question from Megan Q. Who voices Kendall from corporate HR? Kendall was played by John Hartman.
All of that for that.
Now, the role of Kendall was first mentioned in the episode The Job, when David Wallace mentions his dislike for the HR rep Kendall during Jim's job interview in New York.
Wow, that's a major callback.
I know, but we also brought him up again in weight loss, I guess. And here's the thing, Kendall is going to come back 2 more times this season. He comes back in person in Stress Relief and Company Picnic.
About 8 cars were stopped on the hard shoulder with flat tyres on one side.
So, that's a message to Samantha saying, about 80 cars were stopped on the hard shoulder with one side. Ready to send it.
No, change it.
What's the new message?
About 8 cars were stopped on the hard shoulder with flat tyres.
So, that's a message to Samantha saying, about 8 cars were stopped on the hard shoulder with flat tyres. Ready to send it.
Send it.
Are you ready to send the message? You can say yes, no, or cancel.
Send it.
Sending your message.
Job.
Yeah.
lot of cars here. There doesn't seem to be that many people.
I suppose they must use this car park for something else as well.
Yeah.
Maybe. Because why would you spend all day here?
Yeah, exactly.
I don't understand that.
It's not really a full day out.
Yeah.
Steph, what time will you be in this tomorrow? Have you managed to book somewhere to eat? Just wanted to check. Yeah, it's so annoying about Portugal. But luckily, the only thing we actually paid for were flights, and I'm in the process of trying to refund one test that we bought.
Oh God, yeah. Must have got a
we're
test.
going to hire the camper on my flatmate in Scotland. I think it should still be fun. It's just probably the weather's not going to be as amazing.
This is not the way out. Yeah, how much were the tests? Like £100?
They must be like. I don't even know. How much was some wax melt?
About a tenner. How do you get out of this place? Is this way?
I just realised what you're doing. How did you even get to this bit?
I don't know.
I think that's a separate car park.
There we go. Alright.